What's up guys, it's your girl Kaylin back with another vlog, and today I just wanted to do a short little mini vlog because I've been longing to be at the beach all summer, and today is finally the day that I made it happen. Like I've been telling you guys, I've been so busy with like doing my work. I haven't really been taking the time to I guess enjoy the summer. I mean, I've been enjoying my summer, you know what I mean? But it's just been very, very, very productive. And today I get to just have some time to myself. I'm here in Cape May at the Cape May Reeds Beach, and the GPS brought me to this weird destination. It's like all the way out by itself, like it's nobody here right now, which is super weird, but I'm here for it. So yeah, maybe it was meant for me to come to this destination. It's really bright out here. I cannot see. That's why I got my shades on. Absolutely gorgeous. So I'm just gonna do some content, guys. It's basically just relax and take some pictures and just enjoy the ocean. And the ocean is so beautiful to me. I love the sand. I love the beach. Like, it's just such a calming atmosphere for me. And I love the summer. Like, the summer is just the best season in my opinion. Like, maybe it's because I'm a little biased. I was born in August. I'm a summer baby. So I love the sun. I love the water. I love being outside. I love the sun. Like, it just makes me so happy. Look at this, y'all. It's so peaceful. Like, I kind of needed that time to myself. Like, you know how sometimes when you go to the beach and it be super packed and you feel like it's loud and it's not really as peaceful because people are loud talking and, you know, it's just loud. But I enjoyed like that quiet time. It was very much a time of solace, and stuff like that really makes me happy. Like, guys, we gotta do what makes us happy in life. Like, whatever gives us those little moments of joy, like, just do it, you know? We only have one life to live, you know, and I live every single day just extremely grateful, and I try to find as many moments of joy in each day as possible, like, because I just truly cherish like each and every day, you know, like I really do. And God is good, God is amazing. He's been speaking to me and just kind of revealing things to me about my life, and I'm just happy to be on this path with God and like truly following like my purpose in life and just following his plan, because, you know, I'm just trusting in his plan at the end of the day. And guys, don't mind if my camera is like wobbling a lot, because I just ordered a new tripod today. It was time. Like, I had this tripod since I had this camera, like, and I, you know, this tripod is about what, 3 years old, so it's time for a new one. Shout out to Amazon. I ordered another one from Amazon, and it's like a flexi tripod, so have it stand up, have it straight when I vlog, have it like wrap around different things if I needed to, you know, latch onto something so I can record. It's super convenient and it's awesome. I'm on the way to the gas station, and then I'm gonna go home and go ahead and start like my NASA work. I'm on chapter 6. I have to finish chapter 6 by, what's today, Thursday, by Saturday, I would say. This anatomy chapter, guys, is really it's really in depth. Like, I'm learning about the muscles in the body, the tendons, the bones. Like, I'm learning about everything, like the endocrine system, the muscular system, the respiratory, the cardiorespiratory system, the cardiovascular system, the skeletal system. So I'm learning about like all parts of the body pretty much, which is important because, you know, I'm gonna be training people, so I gotta make sure like I know what movements affect which parts of the body, and also how it works, you know, that's important. So I'm learning stuff that I know that I need to know, you know, so I'm excited. It's just a lot of reading, but I've been highlighting like all the important parts. This is so sporadic, but I just went to the gas station, and then I saw that the store that like my mom like brought me to years ago, they sell Spanish food. And I told you guys in my last vlog that like Vineland has the best Spanish food, but we're about to see about these they're really called pastelillos, but in Woodbine a lot of people call them like meat pies or whatever. But I don't eat meat anymore. I'm a pescatarian, so I was curious. I wanted to see if they had any like seafood options, and they did, guys. They have shrimp pastelillos, and I got some rice and beans to go with it. So I'm so excited. We're gonna rate this and see if this is just as good. There was this place called MG's where I'm from, and MG's had the best meat pies growing up. It was like cheesesteak, pastelillos, and like, oh my gosh, they were like my favorite food in the whole world. Like their rice and beans, they put like olives and potatoes and cheese. It was so good. But you know, there's nobody like MG's, you know what I mean? Shout out to Jeremy and his family. They owned MG's. So, but yeah, MG's is no longer in business, you know, so we're gonna see about this other, you know, family. It's a family-owned business. Right on, it's like right by the gas station, like when you go in the courthouse. So let me see my grades. Oh my gosh, the beans are really good. I love this. This is so good. So good. I'm sorry, I'm hungry, guys. I didn't eat anything all day. All I had was my matcha latte and a banana. So, alright, next we're gonna try the shrimp pastelillos. I haven't had one of these in years, so I'm just, well, just a pastelillo in general I haven't had in years. So we're gonna see how this is. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Guys, it's so cheesy. Let me get a napkin. In fact, I'm just gonna use the towel. Yeah. Wow. Guys, look at this. If you can see on the inside, it's shrimp and cheese. And like, I think, I don't, hold on, let me take a few more bites. It just looks like something else is in there, but tens all across the board. Tens. Guys, my taste buds are just like, wow. Oh my gosh. And then when you mix it with the rice, guys, y'all like that Barbie song by Nicki Minaj and Ice Spice? Not gonna lie, I do like that song. It's fire. Barbie. And my pink. We're going to see the Barbie movie though. I'm supposed to be going on Sunday. I really want to know if it's good or not though. Like, is it worth going to see? Because I love going to the movies, but the movie, I have to really be interested in the movie to go to the movies. And I mean, when I say they're going hard with promoting this movie, like, they have every country promoting this movie. Like, it's insane. Like, they get an A+++ on marketing and promotion because Barbie is everywhere. You go in the mall, everywhere. They have everybody doing clothing, apparel. They're partnering with like all the major stores in the mall. Like, it's crazy. But guys, I'm so happy I stopped at the store. So guys, it's basically shrimp and cheese. I think that's what it is. I'm gonna try and make these on my own one day. I'm gonna just add potatoes in mine. Guys, this place is called, let me see what it's called. It's called Buen Gusto Pizzeria. That's what it's called. Come here for some fire Spanish food because it's so good. Shout out to Tori Kelly. I've been bumping her new EP, but it comes out the 28th, but her single Missing You came out, and I've been listening to this like every day.
I'd be like, hey boy, come and ride around. And he did, you always met me there. We were young, we were dumb, yeah, we had a good run. But now I'm off that Riesling. Out in the streets, deleting what you mean to me. And you pop that back in my mind. I go back in time, it was the perfect night. Kissing you was raining purple skies. In my room, me and you. Ooh, I'm missing you. It was the perfect night. Ooh, yeah.
Go study. Well, I'm about to get some wine and then go study, because I'm probably just gonna study outside until like it starts getting dark, and then I'll finish, because I'm trying to finish this chapter like as soon as I can. Like if I finish it by the weekend, that would be amazing, honestly, because it's a lot. So I'm full now, guys. I'm just gonna pack this up and bye. Gonna pack this up, and then I'm going to be productive for the rest of the day. I'm probably gonna post some content, and then I don't know, post these pictures. I took some reels today on the beach, so I'm probably just gonna post that. I gotta find like the right song to go along with it. Alright guys, I will talk to you guys. I will see you guys next time. I love you. Thank you for watching. Bye.